Hey folks, I went out yesterday again and got some more great white shark footage off the coast. We saw 3 sharks in total yesterday. One of the sharks was approached by a boat. In my opinion, I think the boat got a little too close. But let's look at the footage. Let me know in the comments if you think the boat got too close. Now, it didn't take long to find 2 great white sharks just 1,000 feet offshore, but there was a third one, and this third one was just behind the breakers, and it was making these beautiful circles. And I sped it up 400% here so you can see. It's absolutely beautiful. We really had crystal clear conditions on the surface on this day. The shark's underside was just lighting up in that sun and just glistening. Here I'm just watching the shark, just documenting its movements. I'm only about 15 feet above him at this point, and my wife, who's standing right next to me with the binoculars, she lets me know that there is a boat approaching. Now the last thing I want is to be hit by a boat. At this moment, I just lifted the drone out of harm's way and just began documenting this interaction. I'm not sure if the boaters knew that the shark was there, but you can clearly see that they point at the shark here, and that's when they decide to get a closer look at the shark. Whether it's appropriate to do this, I guess, is up to you. I personally don't recommend impeding a wild animal's direction to get a closer look. But naturally they want to see this, and I can imagine they were probably very excited to see a great white shark this close. Now here it certainly looks like they're chasing it, and I would not recommend this behavior. It is kind of a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see a great white shark this close, so I don't really blame them, but it's definitely frowned upon to chase a wild animal like this.